You want some chocolate? No, you gotta eat it off your toe. There you go.
Listen to him laughing.
There it is. Get it off.
Is it good, Rowan? Yeah, that's yummy.
Got some more? Here it goes. We'll put it on your toe. Get it. Get it.
Rowan, is it good? Is it good?